The French art of reflexology. Let's massage your brain with some verbs. Hi, I'm Jean-Baptiste, the most French name you ever heard. The French art of reflexology. Reflexive verbs show who does the actions to themselves. I wash myself. Je me lave. Tu te réveilles. Je me lave. Tu te réveilles. This is the only way you already know how to use it. And in French, myself is required. There is also to each other or both ways. Ils se regardent. Ils se regardent. The sides are more intense, I think. And also the passive form where the se hides the doer. Ça se vend bien. Ça se vend bien. Ça se dit comme ça. Ça se dit comme ça. And adding se can change completely the meaning. Il se rappelle, il rappelle. Il se rappelle, il rappelle. Il se sert de la machine, il sert le café. Il se sert de la machine, il sert le café. And of course, idioms. Il s'en va. Il s'en va. Je m'y connais en français. Je m'y connais en français. And after massaging your brain, you can say je me sens épuisé. Je me sens épuisé. About 100 are used in the daily life. That's one of the reasons to be passionate. They're so beautiful. Complete this in the comments. Je me. Let's go and don't forget to like as well. Thanks and welcome to the new French lovers. C'était Jean-Baptiste pour vous servir du rendez-vous français to reach 10,000 French lovers. À très bientôt.